In today's fast-paced world, where consumerism often dominates our lives, adopting a frugal lifestyle can be a refreshing and fulfilling change. Frugal living is not about deprivation or penny pinching. It's a conscious decision to make smart choices with your money, live within your means, and prioritize value and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore what frugal living entails, its benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. What is frugal living? Frugal living is a mindset and a set of practices that involve maximizing the value of every dollar you spend, while minimizing waste and unnecessary expenses. It's about being intentional with your money, making thoughtful decisions, and focusing on long-term financial stability. Frugal living is not synonymous with being cheap. It's about being resourceful, creative, and finding joy in living with less. Benefits of frugal living. Financial freedom. Frugal living empowers you to take control of your finances, pay off debts, and build a solid financial foundation. By reducing expenses and saving more, you'll have the freedom to pursue your dreams, invest in your future, and weather any financial storms that may arise. Reduce stress. Living within your means and having a financial safety net eliminates the stress and anxiety that often accompany financial instability. Frugal living allows you to focus on what truly matters in life, such as relationships, personal growth, and experiences, rather than being trapped in a cycle of excessive spending and debt. Environmental sustainability. Frugality and sustainability go hand in hand. By consuming less and making conscious choices, you can significantly reduce your ecological footprint. Frugal living encourages recycling, repurposing, and opting for energy-efficient solutions, contributing to a healthier planet for future generations. Practical tips for frugal living. Budgeting. Start by creating a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate funds for essential needs, savings, and discretionary spending. Smart shopping. Embrace the art of mindful shopping. Prioritize quality over quantity, compare prices, and look for deals, discounts, and coupons. Consider buying in bulk for frequently used items and make use of loyalty programs to maximize savings. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance and prepare home-cooked meals as much as possible. Eating out less frequently not only saves money but also promotes healthier eating habits. Utilize leftovers creatively to minimize food waste. Energy efficiency. Reduce your energy consumption by turning off lights and appliances when not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and properly insulating your home. Unplug electronics and use power-saving settings whenever possible. Minimalism and decluttering. Adopt a minimalist mindset by decluttering your living spaces. Sell or donate items you no longer need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Owning fewer possessions can lead to a more organized and fulfilling lifestyle. We hope you found this video helpful. Kindly like, subscribe, and share for informative videos like this one. Thank you.